Hi guys, this is Mr. X here back again with another video and welcome to N-Mapp for beginners. So this is going to be a continuous in ethical hacking course. Well, basically we are going to start with N-Mapp session 2. Without any delay, let's get to the video. While many security participants using N-Mapp few understanding its full power, N-Mapp deserves part of blame for being too helpful. A simple command such as nmap scanme.insecure.org leaves N-Maps to choose the scan type, timing details, target ports, output format, source ports, and address, and more and more. You can even specify hyphen or a random input and let Nmap choose the target. Hiding all of these details make Nmap easy to use, but also easy to grow complex with. Many people never explore the hundreds of available options and scan techniques for more powerful scannings. I present the most of interesting finding and empirical statistics from these scans, along with practical advice of improving your own scan performance. Okay, get into the Nmap. Let's do by typing the. Okay, let's open your terminal. I think you can see my terminal here, or else I can zoom it out. Zoom it up. So. Okay, or else you may click Ctrl plus Shift plus icon. You can zoom it out. I hope you can able to see my screen. Command of Nmap in terminal, and here we are able to see some of the instructions and example command about Nmap, which is about MISC or firewall, IDS evasion, spoofing, OS detection, service and scanning, host discover and target specification. When moving to example of Nmap, -v-a scanmap.nmap.org. Most of the hackers can use Nmap for simple port scanning and OS detection, but Nmap scanning engine, which means NSE, takes scanning to a whole new level. Nmaps is a high speed of network engine can now spider website for SQL injection, vulnerability, burp suit crack, and query services, and find open proxies and more and more. Nmap includes more than 130 NSE scripts for network discover, vulnerability detection, exploitation, and authentication cracking. Rather than give a dry overview of NSE, and maintainer David Field demonstrate practical solution to common problems. They have scanned millions of hosts with NSE and discuss vulnerability found on an enterprise network and how Nmap can be used to quickly detect those problems on your own systems. Then they demonstrate how easy to write custom NSE script by writing one from scratch to advanced level and using it to hack a webcam all in 38 minutes. Let's start the Nmap by placing the command nmap scanme.nmap.org. You can see Nmap has started and done its scanning process by giving the port state and the service of port state. You can see 22 TCP state, open state, and service SSH. Some of the port and then status are displayed here. And it was scanned by 16 seconds. You can see the number of ports 994 closed ports, and you can see the port number and state and the services. By typing ifconfig in the terminal and just closing the terminal and switching over the virtual box to start the Metasploit to OVA, and the virtual machine had been started. And let's log into the virtual machine by typing the command the same same in the previous video. The same default password is msfadmin and msfadmin. Let's wait for the let's wait for the login system will come up here. It took some bits of time, so okay, wait for some times. and we have to check the IP by typing the command line ifconfig. Oops, the IP was shown as 10.1 something. Okay, and I have to change the network adapter by NAT network, but that is not available. So just I'm closing this machine and go to the file preference and again go to the network adapter and add NAT network and then click OK. Then start Metasploit machine and wait for some times. It will appear the screen. And now you have to go the Metasploitable 2 and setting and add the name as NAT network. So it will be fine. Let's start the machine now. So wait for a little bit time. And then the login appears. MSF admin and MSF admin is the root password. And now check the IP address and so now. Calling next terminal, ping the IP address as 10.0.2.4. Let me check whether it's correct in the Metasploit machine. Open your Metasploit machine and see that yeah, it's correct. Let's ping it. And the packets are not receiving, so I have to change the network name by host only adapter, and I'm now restarting it. So get start again the Metasploitable 2 machine. Okay, wait for sometimes and same password MSF admin. So I'm checking its address now. You can see that IP address 192.168 something. Oh, by this time I'm going to ping the vulnerability machine IP address in the Kali Linux step. And finally you can see the packets are sending and receiving in OSI layer clearly. Let's type the command with the N-Mapp -o capital G your IP address. Numbers from 0 to 255. -v means web host. Where you have saved the output, you can save it copying the path of it or Here I am just copying it in desktop and slash output, and so you can see the actual output is stored in the desktop, and just opening it by clicking it there. You can see the port scanned value and host address, which means the IP address, and also you can be able to see the status of it. So I am typing N-Mapp -o capital G, your IP address are 0 to 255 -vv is a web host to see the details of it. So now I am typing N-Mapp -og, your IP address web host to see any ports are open or not, and also the details of it, and you can clearly see the data that are open ports and details of in the desktop panel. You can save it by name by output of the text file. Moreover, at in the core, N-Mapp is the network scanning tool that uses IP packets to identify all the devices connected to a network, and to provide the information on the service and the operating system they are running. So, okay, let's simply sit and watch I'm doing. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to ask in comment section. That's been, guys. I hope this video helped you and you enjoyed it. If it did help you, please leave you like. If didn't help you, you can dislike this video, and you let me know in the comment section. Alternately, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section on social media. Always here, I'm ready to help you guys. Otherwise, you can going to continue the advanced steps in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, and I have a fantastic day. So see you again in the next video. Bye.